India amasung Myanmar leibak ani nangam khaigi mafum khara pithok pisin taunaba thabak paikhatliba si Manipur gi miyam amasung Congress Party na yaba ngamloi Manipur Leingakna Tuminna Leisilloidabani haina Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC gi CLP gi luchingba MLA kaisa Meghachandra na phongdorakli News agency singa akhanana unaba amada kaisa Meghachandra na hai India amasung Myanmar leibak ani gi ngamkhaida maruaina Chandel district ki manung channa border pillar number 65 66 67 amasung 68 ki mafum singda no alignment tawbaga loina nangam khaigi mafum khara leibak ani gi marakta pithok pisin tawnabage proposal ga loina na thabok paikhalak liba si yabangam loi Manipur gi historical boundary da hongba leihanba yaroi center Leingakna hiramasi gi matangda stakeholders singa mangzong na khanagadabani mathau tarabadi khana neinaba parliament ta puthokadabani Meghachandra na makha tarduna Ministry of External Affairs ki wangang loi Jaiswal Singh na press briefing amada ngamkhaigi mafum khara lebani gi marakta pithok pisin tawnabagi matangda khanaba hore haina phongdokhiba wafum asi yaroidaba mani Center da leiriba BJP gi Leingakna Manipur miyam gi kholau na thaiduna leide Manipur gi matangda center ne hiram khudingda lumna lode haina maral siraduna hiram asida Manipur Leingakna Tuminna leisin phom thokte haina phongdokhe
In fact, it is not fair, and the dignity of the people and the rights of the people is disturbing, and the India government is always particularly this double engine government, they are neglecting the sentiment of the people of Manipur. Not only this particular exchange of territory, in all issues, this double engine government neglecting the voice of the people of Manipur. So they need to hear the voice of the people, and the government need to activate. Government need to do their responsibility and accountability. So it is quite hopeless. The state government is silent. Why is this government ignorant on this mission? I don't know. But they are not giving any statement in connection with the recent press briefing by the Jaswalji, the spokesperson of the External Affairs Minister. So it is very unhappy, and it's condemnable because they are not concerning the people of Manipur.